They'll drop 7 deep, and the ball's fumbled in the end zone, and that'll be a sack. Bradley Chubb was there. A big play by the Broncos' #1 draft choice.
Yeah, just getting off the ball, and I saw he fumbled the snap, so I tried to pick it up at first, and then I might as well just do the safe thing and tackle it. So that's how it happened.
Bradley Chubb, there's a welcome to the NFL moment.
Yeah, I mean, it just felt good. I mean, just something I want to keep feeling. Just got to keep working. We got the Redskins next, so hopefully I get one on them as well. Last week I felt I was a little timid and stuff like that, and this week I feel like when I picked it up a little bit, and a lot of guys around me was picking it up too, and we just all had a common goal that we just wanted to stop the run this week, and I feel like that we did that, and just continue to build on that. I feel like we took a major step. We just not nowhere near where we want to be, like I said earlier, though. Just got to keep progressing and keep having the game plan and executing the game plan and making sure that we just do the right things and everybody do their job.